Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. As the old saying goes, two heads are better than one. This is particularly the case when it comes to undertaking a business project. Partnerships or joint ventures are a great way to broaden the scope of your business, and being part of a team can also provide the skills, enthusiasm, resources and capital to enhance your own personal growth. Good communication is key when it comes to working towards a common goal. But while it might be easy to get carried away in the dreams of success, the biggest mistake you can make when establishing a partnership is rushing into things. For this reason, it is important to discuss the practicalities of working together with your partner before your venture gets underway. Most businesses will typically consider issues such as financing, time contributions, communication and decision making, staffing, and administrative record keeping. Depending on the nature of your venture, you may also wish to discuss other matters such as management, sales and marketing, production, superannuation, death or retirement of a party, termination of the venture, insurance, and bookkeeping. Once you have worked out the mechanics of running your venture, it is important to record them in a written document. Keeping a clear record of your arrangement will help you avoid potential conflict. And in the event of any disagreement, you and your partner can refer back to the document for absolute clarity. Selecting the most suitable agreement will depend on the structure of your business. Here at RP Emery & Associates, we provide a range of professionally drafted agreement templates that can be used to document your discussions. For more information on our range of agreements, or to learn more about the questions to ask before forming a business partnership, check out the links below.